Nature versus everybody. Nature is a precious gift that we all share. But in metropolis city like Jakarta, the delicate balance of urban vegetation is under threat. The limited space has made it challenging for trees to thrive, leading to uncontrollable growth. Then, trees interfere with power lines and other infrastructure, further increasing air pollution. The overpopulations in Jakarta has also led to the constructions of more buildings and residences, leaving little space for trees to grow. Moreover, the presence of industrial districts has contributed to the increase of air pollution, make the existing vegetations ineffective in lessening the rising pollution levels. But it's not the tree's fault. It's ours. We need to take responsibility for our actions and make sure we're not contributing to the decline of our city's vegetation. Nature's voice, your choice.